Hey nail fans! Today I thought I would do something that's sort of trending at the moment, and something similar to the design I have on my nails. I thought I would go and do a really fast design using alcohol inks today. It is styles that I've seen in quite a few posts on Instagram. A lot of salons at the moment are stocking alcohol inks. I've only just gotten into it and I absolutely love them. So I thought I would show you my quick go-to design using the alcohol inks. Now the design will be similar to the one that I have, but I have been tinkering with it a little bit, and although I absolutely love what I've got going on here with the blue and green, I have found, I guess, another favorite. And as soon as I did this design on myself, I tinkered with this other design a couple days later and instantly had regret for the design that I had picked on myself. So I'm going to show you what I think is the best design using these. One of the best designs, I'm going to say. I've seen some amazing works of art using these inks, but I think for either a feature nail or a design on all 10 fingers, this design works the best. Now I'm going to use, what colors am I using? I've got a purple and pink. Cool. I did grab the right ones. Alright, so I've started off with, focus, there we go. A white base. I have cured the white base, and I'm going to drain the excess, which I'll put the bottle into view so you can actually see. I'm going to drain the excess from my purple and sort of just do a little squiggly line. I'm going to grab a frayed brush, dip it in some alcohol, and then we're going to bleed the design out. Grab yourself a wipe as well. Wipe your brush, re-dab in your alcohol. The more alcohol you add, the more it's going to spread. Now, what I like doing is leaving a little bit of white in the design. Unlike the design I actually did on myself, I end up covering the entire nail, whereas with this, I want to leave a little bit of white, so I'm going to feather that out. There we go, so that's our purple, and then I'm going to go and just add some random bits of pink. Because it really doesn't matter where the heck you put this stuff. It looks amazing here, there, anywhere, really. At this point, it pays to be delicate, so I'm going to add the tiniest little bit of purple here because the purple is quite pigmented and spreads really easy, you can see. And I love the mixture of the concentrate of purple and then the pops of pink. So I'm going to let this dry, top coat, and yeah, that's pretty much the entire design, really. Nothing really more to say other than that. I'm going to wait for this to dry, top coat, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and we're top coating. One of my hairs has fallen into my brush. Always something that happens. Oh, you're back. Where are you? Here. We're back. And we're unfocused. There we go. Our ink is dry, so I'm just going to top coat using a no cleanse top coat. And if you wait until your ink is completely dry, it won't spread. I only waited about 30 to 60 seconds for this to completely dry. So if you are doing another nail, by the time you do one, the other one's going to be dry. Just like glass. And there you go, that's pretty much our entire design done. Like I said, I love how quick this design is. I love how unique every design is. I do try and leave little bits of white through the design. You can use any background you like, but I do like that pop of white through, and it does give it more of like a splash sort of feel. So let me know what you think. Again, in the comments below, let me know if you've used ink, what you think. Does it work for you? Do you love it, hate it? And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!